Hey guys, today I'm going to show you about this thing called a solar rover. Well, for some reason you might be thinking, is this a soda can? Well, we'll talk about that later. First, let's open it up. Well, it says here, place your solar rover outdoors on a sunny day and watch it zip along. No batteries are required. The solar rover's solar panel turns sunlight into the electricity that runs the motor. Recycle a soda can to make your solar rover unique. It's a science project that's green as well as fun. So these are the instructions for the solar rover. Obviously, everybody needs instructions because what is a new thing? You always have to look at the instructions. So probably you should stick that right here, and then put this. What would that look like? It's round. And then put that right there for this part. Wait, it has to be righty-tighty. Some people say righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So put one here. That's good. And then another one right here. You liking it so far?
Oh, so good.
Not bad except for this part. Need them. So connect 11 and 10 like this. Here must be.
I'll check the manual.
That's better. So maybe you would. Well, this is what it says. So put one of these right here. My fingernails aren't that sharp. Solar panel, I guess.
Is that solar panel?
Wait, the black one just fell off. Let's just put it back.
Then you need to screw.
And then flip it over. Let's get some of the screws. Lefty. This is righty-tighty to screw it. Lefty-loosey to unscrew it. keep screwing. And then of things that you might not understand. This is Chinese and Japanese. I don't know what this is, by the way. Assembling the body.
Mm-hmm.
So you should put the soda can between these things. Lefty loosey. Wait, is it this way or no? Maybe it's this way.
Tight.
What it looks like when you're done. My mom helped me a little bit. She's the one who's video clipping.
What you need now? Well, Dial.
So the last and final step is the fun part. You have to go outside and use the solar panel energy and let it zip and zoom.
Okay, let's go out.